Fake news. It's the big buzzword of the last couple of years, and it's a scourge on society because when it's believed, it can lead to some pretty big decisions being made on the basis of false information, which is not good. Just as well then that it's very easy to spot, and I'm going to share some tips with you on how to tell if what you're reading is false or true. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and get started. Firstly, take a look at what's been presented to you as news. Obvious things like spelling mistakes, poor grammar, or phrasing which just feels wrong or implies it might not have been written by an English speaker or could have been machine translated, or maybe just written by someone who's not an experienced and respected journalist. However, the absence of these telltale signs shouldn't give you immediate comfort. Have you heard of the news outlet before? If you have and you think it's a well-known one, look at the website address. Is it the correct one? Ignore green HTTPS and padlocks, all that means is they've turned encryption on. Anyone can do that. Is the web address correct, or is it trying to look very similar to the real thing? Who's written the article? Is it just anonymous? Is it a name you've never heard of, or does every single article on the website appear to be written by the same person? Google the journalist's name and see what comes up. Can you find out more information about the website, who it's owned by, is it part of a larger parent organisation, etc.? Secondly, are the sources reliable? Has someone supposedly said something really shocking? If so, Google the quote and see what comes up. It might be very telling. Type the exact phrase in and see where it's been reported, especially if it's alleged to have been said a long time ago. Was it reported at the time? Has it already been debunked or exposed as a lie? Thirdly, what photos are being used? Purveyors of fake news will often use real images out of context to try and get you to believe their lies, as it makes them seem much more believable and authentic. Unluckily for them, it's very easy to search Google for that precise image or images very similar to it and find out more about it. You might then find out that the image is of something completely different or taken at a different time or even place. So, before you hit that share button on a piece of news, make sure that you're not inadvertently helping to spread lies and deceit. If you have good reason to think it's fake, call it out for what it is and let others know in the comments section what led you to that conclusion. Collectively, we can all help to reduce the impact that fake news has on our world, and you can do your bit to help by sharing this video with your family and friends so they can learn these tips and know what to look out for. Lastly, don't confuse fake news with satire and jokes. Everyone likes a laugh, and it's fun to stitch up politicians, celebrities and other public figures. Some serious points can even be made very effectively via the medium of humour. Just remember that it's just a joke. So please give this video a thumbs up if it's been useful, and share it with your friends and family to help them to spot fake news more easily. If you're not already subscribed to the Switched On Network, you can do that by clicking the logo that's on screen now, and once you've done that you can check out some of our other videos which you might find interesting too. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.